The scholars differ. Some scholars, few, do say that the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are better than the last 10 nights of Ramadan. There are few scholars who say the last 10 nights are better than the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. But the right opinion and the correct opinion is by Ibn Taymiyyah, Shaykh al-Islam. May Allah have mercy on him. And he rightly said that the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the best days in the full year. It is even better than the last 10 days of Ramadan. But the last 10 nights of Ramadan, they are the best nights in the full year because it has the Laylatul Qadr. It is the best night in the full year. So the last 10 nights of Ramadan are the best nights because it has Laylatul Qadr. And amongst the days in the full year, the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah are the best days in the year because it has the Yawmul Arafah, the day of Arafah.